Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today I have a quick tutorial on how to expand something you do when it comes to certain shapes. It'll get it to scale properly and it won't really mess up any of the changes you made to the certain shape. So let me show you what I mean. So if I start out with a rectangle and I'll just put a gradient on it just to kind of show you guys what I mean a little bit here. So just for the sake of it, I'll put in red, black, and I'll just go with a blue. So a lot of times what will happen is if you have a rectangle like this, and I'll just duplicate it to show you, and if you click down on one of these little circles here, if you click on just one of them, it should be able to basically round off this corner like this. But the problem is if I duplicate this again, and I need to make this a little bit smaller, it kind of see how it kind of messes up even if I scale it so everything scales together. It kind of makes the curve a little bit wonky. So what you want to do before you get to that point is you want to go up to here, go to object, go down to shape, hit expand shape, and now what happens is if I try to go ahead and scale this thing down, it keeps the same shape on the little corner that I did there. So once again, guys, it's like a little quick tutorial on how to scale and what to do when your shapes are acting a little wonky and you've tried doing anything else. Make sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.